Hi friends, this is Madhu from GROBOOK. Today I am here to discuss about landing in Cochin Airport, Kerala. Before entering into this video, please subscribe to this channel to get regular videos from us. Landing at Cochin International Airport, located in the southern Indian state of Kerala, is an experience that is both convenient and memorable. When the plane comes to a stop, the cabin crew will inform you to disembark the plane. You will be directed towards the shuttle bus boarding point. A shuttle bus will be waiting outside the plane to transport passengers to the terminal building. The bus driver and ground staff will assist you with your luggage and direct you towards the shuttle bus. The shuttle bus will take you from the remote parking bay to the terminal building. The ride is typically short, and you will get a glimpse of the airport facilities on your way. The shuttle bus will drop you off at the designated terminal building area, and you will need to follow the signs to the immigration and customs area. Once visitors have cleared immigration and customs, they will enter the main terminal building. The terminal at Cochin Airport is well designed and modern, with clear signage and easy navigation. Visitors can easily find their way to baggage claim, where they can collect their luggage. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with a new video shortly. Stay tuned with GROBOOK.